Here is how to search for photos in Google Photos. So there's a new feature called Ask Photos. You'll find it at the bottom right, and the page looks like this. And what this does is that it uses AI to search through all of your photos which have been backed up. And I was trying it out, and it's really powerful. So here are examples of a few things which you can use this for. So first is for object-based searches. Let's say you want to find all images of any object, like a car or food or sunset. You can just search for it, and let's see the result. So I'll just search for food, and you can see that all the images related to food, they've come here. One thing to note, that this will only go through the images which have been backed up. So you can see on top, 11,000 photos are missing since they haven't been backed up. And you can just select turn on backup if you want to back it up. I'll show you one more example of objects. If I just search for moon, as you can see, all of the images are of the moon. It ranges from 2020 till now. Then the next thing you can search for is an event. So let's say a birthday, a wedding, vacation. So one thing I can do is just type vacations in 2022. As you can see, all images related to vacations in 2022, they've come here. So this is one thing I find pretty cool. After that, you can do people-based searches. So if you just click on the search bar, on top you can see some faces have come. So if I want to search for all of my pictures, I can just select my face, and now all of my pictures have come here. After that, on top, you can add another person. So this will give results of all pictures with both the people together. Then the next thing you can do, which I find pretty cool, is text-based search. So this can read through all of the text in your images. So let's say I type email. Then all the images with the word email will come here. So let's say you've taken a picture of someone's email ID and now you can't find it. You can just search for email. And if you see over here, all the images have an email ID in them. After that, the last type of search, which I find to be really helpful, is location-based. So if I want all photos in Mumbai, I can search for that. And as you can see, all the photos from here are from Mumbai. So this is basically how it works. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.